This is a very important pivotal day for this cryptocurrency bull run, for the markets in general, because today a very important piece of data will be released. That is the inflation CPI data. And as you can see, for the past 2 months, the actual inflation has been lower than the forecast. And as you can see right now, they're forecasting a 4.1% inflation. This is significantly lower than it was last month. Now, if the actual CPI inflation data comes out at 4%, that's one thing. If it comes out at 3.9%, I do believe the markets will react very, very bullishly to this, because on paper, we have come down an entire percent from 4% to 3%. Traditional markets like the S&P 500 have been reacting very bullishly to this news. In fact, we can see right now the S&P 500 is coming above a very, very important high from last August. And if we take a look here at the weekly time frame, we can see that the S&P 500 is actually breaking out of a downtrend that we had been in since 2022 January, forming a very nice looking bottom and officially now changing market structure on the weekly time frame, putting in a higher high. So just based on pure market structure and price action alone, things are looking bullish in the traditional markets. However, in the crypto space, things are a little bit different. Why? Because, yeah, we have the CPI data, but at the same time, we have the SEC running a rampage, suing Binance, suing Coinbase, altcoins potentially being illegal in the United States. And so we've got this perfect storm of brewing. And I'll be honest with you guys, it looks a little bit ugly, but what is the price going to do? How are the markets going to react as we get the CPI announcement? Well, it really depends on what this data comes out as, but just like the guy on the package, it depends. Smiling and happy and confident. If we understand the different possibilities, we can be prepared no matter what happens. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are going to be going over the 2 most probable scenarios that I am planning to trade as this news gets released. And here's the thing, guys. Depends are great if you're a trader like me and you're glued to the charts. You don't have to get up to go to the toilet. Okay, I should probably not put that in the video. Now, in addition to the CPI data coming out today, tomorrow, Jerome Powell will be announcing whether or not the Federal Reserve has decided to raise interest rates or not. Now, this is so crucial because it's been over a year since the Federal Reserve has started increasing interest rates on a monthly basis. And right now, 82% of the market is predicting that the Fed is not going to raise rates, which is a sign that they are starting to pivot. They are starting to ease. This is very, very bullish for markets in general. This is another reason why we have seen the rally in the S&P 500 in traditional markets. And so we very well may have a perfect storm of inflation coming down a whole percent, the Federal Reserve putting the gas on the rate hikes. And so how is this going to affect Bitcoin? Because personally, I'm trading crypto. Well, we have to understand now the context of the crypto markets now that we understand the context of the traditional market. Now, when we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that the price is currently finding support at a very key zone. The support resistance flip going all the way back to May 2022, the August high, and then the February high before the breakout. But when we take a look at our oscillator, we can see something that is looking a little bit more bearish, like there's still more room for downside. Money flow getting much lower on the daily time frame. The weekly time frame, VWAP still pointing down, looking like we can get another move to the downside. Now, what we have to understand is that the market likes to wreck as many people as possible, which means if we start to get this very bullish news, a lot of people are going to start saying maybe we can get a move to the upside. But we have to understand we have the bullish news for the traditional markets, we have the bearish news for the crypto markets with the whole SEC thing. So in my opinion, we are going to get a massive fake out to wreck as many people as possible before we get our real move. So what I would love to see happen right here is the CPI comes out and inflation is down. Tomorrow, interest rates not raised. We get a little rally, but then we reject from local resistance and come down to a very key zone of support for Bitcoin. The Fibonacci golden pocket confluence with the value area high of the old range around that 23.5-ish thousand dollar area. This would give us 2 major bullish confirmations. Number one, this would give us on the daily time frame that juicy bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man-boo pattern, where as the price is getting lower into key support, the Man-Marie Glens of Sam Bankman-Fried are getting higher, which is a very bullish divergence. The second thing I would like to see is a weak low, okay? This right here, this pink diamond, is the nines indicator, okay? There's a link to the nines indicator website in the pinned comment of this video. But basically, whenever we get one of these pink diamonds printing, it means the next low that we make is going to be the bottom. Check it out. This is a very powerful indicator created by somebody in the Casper crew. And look, we print the pink diamond, and then a few days later we put in a lower low. That was the bottom, and we see that happen over and over again. Next time we bottom out right here, we print the pink diamond, and then a few days later we put in a lower low. Boom, that is actually the bottom of the move. Well, guess what? Right now we're currently printing a pink diamond on the 9th indicator, which means if we come down a little bit lower to a key zone of support, a very drastic move could be a very bullish bottom. So this is something I am really looking out for. Now, keep in mind that along the way up here, we have seen the Bitcoin price bounce from the Fibonacci golden pocket every single time since we have begun the uptrend back in December, right? From the November low to that next low in December, bounced right from the Fibonacci golden pocket. Then from the December low coming up to the February low, we come down and bounce right from the golden pocket. Well, here we are right again with key support below us. Lots of news, lots of volatility expected. This is a very probable scenario that I'm currently looking to capitalize on. By the way, guys, if you're looking for a thriving trading community where every single day we do multiple live streams, we give our trade setups in advance, like this juicy swing short trade from the exact top, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead, click the link to join the VIP Discord. And if you want to learn how to trade the right way, check out the juicy 25% discount on both trading courses, changing the way literally thousands of people approach the markets, taking complete beginners, making them profitable traders. And if you're looking to take advantage of the volatility of these markets, longing and shorting on MEXC, my new go-to exchange, the best deal in fees you can possibly find, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus, 0% limit order fees, 33% off market order fees. Of course, only sign up if you know how to trade. But right now, MEXC and Bitget are my two go-to exchanges if you are looking for some juicy exchanges to trade the volatility of these markets. So at the end of the day, guys, what is most important when it comes to the volatility that is about to ensue is that we practice good risk management, we don't let our emotions get to the best of us, and we have a predetermined plan in advance that we can trade when the opportunity comes. If we stick to these principles, we can be successful in the long term doing this. That's it for today's video. May God bless you all in the name of Yeshua, Jesus, the Messiah. I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.